Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to tell you at what resolution you can play the YouTube videos in the Realme X2 device. So the maximum resolution what you can play in this phone, are because a lot of users are asking me this kind of question, whether you can play the 4K videos or 2K videos, and what is the maximum resolution you can play in the YouTube. So before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel SciTech Guru. I'll be posting a lot of interesting reviews on the smartphones and a lot of comparison videos as well. So you can find the links in description for the playlist of the Realme X2 device, so where I uploaded a lot of videos recently, as you can see here. So there will be a lot of comparison videos with other smartphones like Honor 9X and the Redmi Note 8 Pro as well. So you can check the links in description guys for the playlist of the Realme, only for the Realme X2. So there are other playlists as well, so you can go through the description. And before starting the video, let me show you the exactly what variant I am using in this video. So as you can see here, the Realme X2 8GB RAM and 128GB variant. So let me open the YouTube. Before opening the YouTube, a quick specifications about the display of the Realme X2 is that the resolution of the Realme X2 phone is only 1080p. So the maximum resolution you can get in the YouTube is only the 1080p resolution. So let's check whether you can play the 60 FPS videos in the YouTube or not. So to do that, you can just type the directly a 4K video in the search bar, as you can see here. So all these above videos are in the 4K. So let me go to the properties of the quality, as you can see here. So this is a maximum resolution you can play in the Realme X2 device, 1080p at 60 FPS and the HDR mode. So the Realme X2 supports the HDR playback in the YouTube. So that's a very good thing. So when we compare side by side with the other smartphones like OnePlus Nord Pro, where you can see the videos at maximum resolution as well, that's directly from the YouTube application, as you can see. So this is the overall difference with the normal 1080p resolution phones and other 2K and 4K resolution displays. So these are just a short video to demonstrate at what resolution you can play in the YouTube videos. So for more videos, subscribe to my channel SciTech Guru, and don't forget to check the playlist also for the Realme X2 device. So you'll find a lot of useful videos on the Realme X2 phone. See you in the next video guys. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.